Hi, Emma. You're early today.
Hey, Jack. Yeah, I came a bit early to get some fresh air.
Nice. This cafe smells great as always.
Yes, I love the coffee here. It's my favorite place to relax.
What will you order today?
I think I'll have a cappuccino. What about you?
I'll go for an iced latte. It's too warm for hot coffee.
True, the weather is crazy these days.
So, how's work going?
It's okay. A bit stressful, but I'm managing.
You're always working so hard. You deserve a break.
Haha, I wish. Maybe next month I'll take a few days off.
Any travel plans?
Not yet. Maybe somewhere peaceful, like the mountains.
That sounds nice. I love nature trips too.
What about you? How's life?
Busy, but good. I've started learning photography.
Really? That's awesome. I've always wanted to learn that.
Yeah, I just bought a new camera. Still learning how to use it.
Maybe you can take my photos someday.
Deal. But only if you buy me coffee after the shoot.
Haha, okay. That's a fair deal.
Do you usually come here alone?
Sometimes I read books or listen to music.
That's peaceful. I usually come with friends.
Yeah, cafes are perfect for conversations.
Exactly. Speaking of which, what's your dream job, Emma?
I'd love to open my own bakery one day.
That's so cool. You bake really well.
Thanks. What about you, Jack? What's your dream?
I want to travel and become a travel photographer.
Wow, that's inspiring. You'll capture the world through your lens.
I hope so. Maybe one day you'll visit my photo exhibition.
I'll be in the front row for sure.
Deal. By the way, do you believe in following dreams?
Absolutely. Life's too short to ignore what makes us happy.
That's deep. You always know how to say the right thing.
Haha, maybe it's the coffee talking.
Maybe. So what's your next step toward your bakery dream?
I'm taking online baking classes now. It's so much fun.
That's great. Keep going. I'll be your first customer.
Thank you. I'll make your favorite cake.
Perfect. So, do you like working from cafes?
Yes, it's relaxing. I get new ideas here.
I agree. Sometimes I write my travel notes here too.
You're so creative, Jack. You'll do great things.
Thanks. Emma, you too. Keep smiling.
Always. That's my secret ingredient.
Haha, good one. Okay, let's order our coffee now.
Sure, and let's plan your next photo trip while we're here.
Sounds like a plan. Cheers to coffee and dreams.
Cheers.